When we install Windows the way we've been doing it, whether that be with a disk or a USB or even over the network, we call that an interactive install. Let's see if we can identify all the steps that are in an interactive install of Windows. Now, this is not part of the Windows installation. This is part of the VirtualBox. So let's go ahead and just choose that and click Start, and we'll identify all of the steps that are part of the Windows installation. Okay, here are three things: the language to install, the time and currency format, and the keyboard. Now, whether we want to do an install or a repair. Next is whether we want a desktop experience or server core, and the standard or data center. Next is whether we accept the license agreement. Next is whether we want a clean install or an upgrade. Next is what drive we want, and if we want any formatting or whether we want to load any drivers. Alright, now it wants to know a password, and verify the password. And that's it. Now, this is a lot less than we have to know in Windows 10. Windows 10 wants to know how you want ads delivered, and does it want you to know, or do you want it to know your location, and do you want to use Cortana, all sorts of stuff. But at least in Windows Server, there's quite a bit less. This is what we call an interactive installation.